In this video, I will teach you 3 of the best new tools for making videos from photos, like the one you're watching now.
It is also worth mentioning that these video generators allow you to create avatars from photos for free.
It looks very interesting. I'm very curious to know how these image values are made from photos. If you're curious, like me, stay tuned to the end of the spider with a border.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will introduce you 3 of the top image to video AI tools, which you can use to create AI animations for free. Before starting, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to always stay updated with the latest AI tools. HeyGen is one of the best AI tools you can use for video generation. This AI video generator also provides high-quality avatars that you can use to make educational videos or advertisements. Use the description link to access this AI tool. First of all, click on Sign In. If you already have an account in this AI video generator, enter your email and password and log in. Otherwise, you can sign up very quickly using your Google or Facebook account. In this section, some simple questions will be asked about your purpose for using this AI tool. Answer the questions very quickly and pass this section. Well, we have reached the home page of this AI video generator. Click on the avatar from the left toolbar. Now select the talking photo option. Here, when you click on the upload button, it will ask you if you want to upload a photo from your computer or if you want to generate your image using this AI tool. I will test both for you very quickly. First, I will upload a photo from my computer. You can choose whether the dimensions of the video are landscape or portrait. I choose the portrait for this photo. Okay, you can write the script as text or upload it as audio or record it live. From the right toolbar, choose the voice of your favorite speaker. There are all kinds of accents here.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
Hello, this is how I sound. Hope you like it.
You can also change the speed or pitch of the sound. Well, let's quickly check the video generated by this AI tool.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
I'm going back now to test the other option, which is Generate AI Face Image. On this page, we have to determine the appearance characteristics of our desired AI talking photo. I prefer half-body, female, and romanticism style. I also choose round face, along with wide brim hat. And finally, I just click on Generate. Okay, these AI-generated images look good. I save 3 of them. As before, I repeat the same steps, but this time I test another speaker's sound.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started.
Here you can add a caption to the video, share it with others, or download it. The second best AI tool for generating video from images is MyHeritage. I have put the link of this AI video generator in the description. Well, hover over the photo header and then select the deep story option. In fact, the main specialty of this AI tool is to revive old images. Here we see a sample video made by this AI video generator, which is made from a photo. I simply upload the photo, then choose its gender and write a name and surname for my character. Well, here we have to write the desired text. Then from the voice options, you can choose the voice of your favorite speaker.
Hello, I'm one of the voices you can use.
Also, here you can change the speed of your voice. Let's generate the video and see the result.
Hi, I'm AI Border. Welcome to this video. I am honored to have the opportunity to create educational content for you.
Okay, you can download the video here or go back to the previous page and edit it by clicking on Edit Deep Story. You can also change the photo. The third best AI video generator is DID. In my opinion, this AI tool is much better than others. Use the description link to access it. On the home page, we click on the free trial button. Then, on this page, first click on the guest in the left toolbar and then select the sign up option. You can sign up very quickly with your Google account in this AI tool, or choose a longer path and create your account by entering your email address. Okay, here from the left toolbar, choose Generate Video. On this page, in the right toolbar, you can write the text, choose the language and accent, the voice of the speaker, and the speaking style. For example, angry, happy, or surprised style. I also select and upload the photo by clicking on Add. You can listen to the voice of the speaker before generating the video. And wherever you need, you can create a small break in the speaker's voice.
Hi, welcome to AI Border. I am honored to have the opportunity to create educational content for you.
Hi, welcome to AI Border. I am honored to have the opportunity to create educational content for you.
After you are sure of the speaker's voice, click on the Generate Video button. Let's see the result.
Welcome to AI Border. I am honored to have the opportunity to create educational content for you.
Here we can download the video or share it with others. Thank you for watching. In this channel I will keep you updated on the newest AI tools and advancements in technology. Subscribe to stay up to date with the latest breakthroughs.